Good morning students, welcome to the online chemistry class. So last class we discussed about how to calculate the number of atoms present in a given substance by using mole. So now today we discuss about how to calculate the number of gram molecules present in a given substance. How to calculate the number of gram molecules present in a given substance. So this is our question, how to calculate the number of gram molecules present in a given substance. So we can apply the mole concept for molecules. What are the formulas? There are three formulas, is there? First one, number of gram molecules equal to given weight of molecule by gram molecular weight of molecule. So here in our question, given weight of molecule we know, gram molecular weight of we know, we don't know number of gram molecules, we can apply this formula. Next, second formula, how you can modify this one. Now check it. We know number of gram molecules as well as gram molecular weight of molecules. You can calculate the given weight of molecule. The formula should be changes. Given weight of molecule equal to number of gram molecules into gram molecular weight of molecules. So given weight of molecule equal to number of gram molecules into gram molecular weight of molecules. Next, third formula. Here we know these two values, we can calculate this one. Next, third formula, how you can write according to first formula. We know number of gram molecules as well as given weight of molecule. We don't know gram molecular weight of molecule. How you can change the formula? Now, gram molecular weight of molecule equal to given weight of molecule by number of gram molecules. So this is the how to calculate the number of gram molecules present in a given substance by using the three formulas. First formula, what is? Number of gram molecules equal to given weight of molecule by gram molecular weight of molecule. Next, given weight of molecule equal to number of gram molecules into gram molecular weight of molecules. Third formula, gram molecular weight of molecule equal to given weight of molecules by number of gram molecules. So this is very important, remember in your mind. Then problems one by one, check it according to formula. Problem 1. Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 2 grams of hydrogen molecule. What is our question? Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 2 grams of H2 molecule. Now what we have to do? So according to question, what they given we can identify. Here what is given? Given weight of molecule equal to 2 grams. Given weight of molecule equal to 2 grams. Next, gram. Molecular weight of H2. We know that previous classes I said how to calculate the molecular weights of different compounds according to step wise. Here, what is the molecular weight of H2 molecule? Here, hydrogen molecule. Here, hydrogen atomic weight how much? 1. But here how many hydrogens is there? 2 hydrogens. 1 hydrogen equal to atomic weight is 1. 2 hydrogen equal to 2 into 1. 2. What is the atomic weight of hydrogen? 1. What is the molecular weight of H2 molecule? 2. Next, 2. Here what is there? Gram molecular weight. We know that molecular weight of H2 molecule equal to 2. Here what is the meaning of gram molecular weight of weight? Here molecular weight expressed in grams is called as gram molecular weight. Molecular weight expressed as grams is called as gram molecular weight. So that's why you should write G. Now which one you have to calculate? Number of gram molecules. Number of gram molecules equal to question mark. Next, we know that formula. Number of gram molecules equal to given weight of molecule by gram molecular weight of molecule. Here H2 molecule, given weight of molecule, how much is their value? This value supply in the formula. We know that given weight of molecule equal to 2 grams. Gram molecular weight of helium molecule equal to 2. 2 1 1. So now number of gram molecules equal to number of gram molecules equal to 1. So then next problem observe. Problem number 2. Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 14 grams of nitrogen molecule. What is our question? Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 14 grams of N2 molecule. Now according to question, we can identify what is given, what is not given. Here, given weight of molecule is there. Given weight of molecule equal to 14 grams. We know that gram molecular weight of N2 molecule. How you can calculate the molecular weight? Already I said according to the steps. Here, check it. Nitrogen atomic weight how much? 14. But here how many nitrogens is there? 2. 1 nitrogen equal to 14. 2 nitrogens equal to 14 into 2? 28. So that is the molecular weight of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule. Molecular weight is 28. Next, here molecular weight expressed is grams is called as gram molecular weight. That's why we are calling 28 grams. Next, we have to calculate the number of gram molecules equal to question mark. Next, observe formula. Number of gram molecules equal to given weight of molecule by gram molecular weight of molecule. Gram molecular weight of molecule. Here molecule, what is that? N2, nitrogen molecule. Now number of gram molecules equal to this values apply in the formula. Given weight of molecule equal to 14 by gram molecular weight of nitrogen molecule equal to 28. So now 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 value how much? Equal to 0.5. How we should write? So 1 divided with the 2 is possible? No, that's why take decimal. 1 by 2 value equal to 0.5. So number of gram molecules equal to 0.5. Next problem option, third problem. Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 16 grams of O2 molecule. According to question, so what is our question? Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 16 grams of O2 molecule. Now according to question, we can identify the what is given, what is not given. Now here what is given? Grams. That means given weight of molecule. Given weight of molecule equal to 16 grams. Next, gram molecular weight of O2 molecule. Now we can calculate the molecular weight of oxygen molecule. Oxygen atomic weight is how much? 16. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. Here how many oxygens is there? number. How much is there? 2 oxygens. That's why 2. So 1 oxygen equal to 16. 2 oxygens equal to 16 into 2 equal to 32 grams. That means molecular weight of O2 molecule equal to 32. So here molecular weight expressed in grams is called as gram molecular weight. That's why we should write 32 grams. Next, which one I have to calculate? Number of gram molecules. Number of gram molecules. Question mark. But we know that formula. Number of gram molecule equal to given weight of molecule by gram molecular weight of O2 molecule. We know that the values, these values apply in the formula, we get number of gram molecules. Now, how much is there? Given weight of molecule 16 grams by gram molecular weight of O2 molecule 32. 61 ja, 16 2 ja, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value equal to 0.5. So that is the number of gram molecules present in a 16 grams of O2 molecule equal to 0.5. Next, last one. Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 71 grams of chlorine molecule. What is our question? Calculate the number of gram molecules present in 71 grams of chlorine molecule. According to question, we can identify given weight of molecule equal to 71 grams. Next, gram molecular weight of chlorine molecule. We know that calculation of molecular weights of different compounds. Cl2. Chlorine atomic weight how much? 35.5. But here, how many chlorines is there? 2 chlorines. 1 chlorine equal to this one, 2 chlorines. So 2 into 35.5 equal to 71. Molecular weight of chlorine is 71. So here molecular weight expressed in grams is called as gram molecular weight. That's why we should write 71 grams. Now which one I have to calculate? Number of gram molecules. Question mark. But our question, we know that, and the formula is number of gram molecules equal to given weight of molecule by gram molecular weight of Cl2 molecule. Given weight of molecule, how much is there? 71 grams. Next, gram molecular weight of chlorine molecule 71. 17 1 ja, 17 1 ja. So that is number of gram molecules equal to 1. So thank you. Remaining topic next class we discuss. None.